Let's see applications of calculus of variation. The first application is geodesics. That is, given two arbitrary points P and Q on a surface S, there exist infinite number of curves on the surface having P and Q as their extreme points. Of these curves, that curve whose length is the least is called the geodesics between the points P and Q on the given surface. Or I can say that geodesics on a surface is a curve along which the distance between any 2 points on the surface is minimum. So finding the geodesics on a surface is a variational problem involving the condition for extremum of associated functional. So what is the condition? Nothing but Euler's equation. So these are some standard variational problems. See this. Prove that the shortest distance between 2 points in a plane is along the straight line joining them. Or they can ask this question like this. Prove that the geodesics on a plane are straight lines. Now let's see the proof. Y is equal to y of x be a curve passing through the points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2. Now we don't know what is the function, or we don't even know what is the functional. For that we have to use the clue. The arc length between P and Q. What is the arc length? How we will write? S is equal to, I think I'll write here. Yeah, S is equal to integral x1 to x2 ds by dx into dx. This is the arc length. Or I can write this as, both are same, integral x1 to x2 root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square into dx. In the place of dy by dx, we have used the notation y dash square. So this is your S. So this we got it from arc length. Probably you might have studied this in the first semester or second semester. So we are going to use this as the arc length. Here the functional is not given, and we are getting that by using the given clue. Now we got what is S and what is I? I is nothing but integral x1 to x2 root of 1 plus y dash square dx. This is my functional. Okay. So in the place of f of xy y dash, what we have? Root of, what is there inside the bracket? Root of 1 plus y dash square. Okay. So now we have to find the extremum, means it should satisfy Euler's equation. So del f by del y minus d by dx of del f by del y dash is equal to 0. And this has no y here. So everything is just a constant. So if I differentiate, I will get del f by del y is 0. And then del f by del y dash. So root x, if I differentiate, what I will get? 1 by 2 root x. Same way, root of 1 plus y dash square. If I differentiate, 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus y dash square. And y dash square differentiation is 2y dash. We are not supposed to write y double dash, because please keep this in mind, we are partially differentiating. Okay, we are going to substitute this in the given Euler's equation. So first term will become 0, and the second term is d by dx of this thing. So derivative of something is 0 means that something should be a constant. So y dash by root of 1 plus y dash square is c, some constant. Okay, we are going to simplify. So y dash is equal to c into root of 1 plus y dash square. We are going to square on both sides to get rid of the square root. So y dash square is equal to c square into 1 plus y dash square. Right hand side the square root will go. And we have taken y dash terms on one side, and y dash square, if I take common, 1 minus c square is equal to c square. So y dash square is equal to c square by 1 minus c square. Okay, we are using the same terms, that is from the previous one, continuation only. Y dash square is equal to c square plus c square into y dash square, pushing all the y dash terms on one side. And if this is y dash square, y dash is nothing but root of this. So c square, if I take square root, it will become c, denominator square root again will come, root of 1 minus c square. What is our aim? Actually we have to find y. So this is y dash, that is nothing but dy by dx. So dy by dx is this. So to find y, again we are solving a first order differential equation. And We are grouping all the x terms to one side, y terms to other side, and then we are integrating. Very first one, simple integration. So on integrating dy we get y, and on the right hand side integral of dx is x. This is just a constant, we are writing this as it is plus k. What is this actually? If you see, c by root of 1 minus c square, I can name it as some m. Then if I write like this, what I will get? Y is equal to mx plus k, where m is nothing but this value. What is this format? This is nothing but a straight line. So hence we proved that if there is an extremum, then y is of this format. So definitely it is nothing but a straight line. That is, the shortest distance between 2 points in a plane is along a straight line joining them. Or I can say geodesics on a plane or straight lines. This is a very, very, very important problem. Practice this. Thank you.